are back for Marketplace Beauty. Hey, here's a message. Cameron, catch.
Oh.
See you under the mistletoe. We head back now out to the Polaris Mall where Elisa Henry has been. She's getting some great information. That is, you could say, more than skin deep, that's for sure. Hey again, Elisa, look at you getting all dutied up.
I'm dodging Drew trying to put makeup on my face. That's okay. I think I'm all set here with Leanne at Merle Norman. Good morning.
Good morning.
So tell us about what we see. Doris, she's been getting a makeover this entire time, and wow, look at the finished results.
Doesn't she look
Gorgeous.
amazing? As we mentioned before, Merle Norman is not your grandma's makeup anymore. We have makeup, cosmetics, skincare for all ages and all skin types. Doris, for example, is a professional working mom who works in the corporate world, and we have put on her today a high-def finish foundation that really is anti-aging. So it makes your skin look smooth and youthful and beautiful.
And she looks really, really good. Not that you didn't look beautiful before, but the makeup
Doesn't
really
she look great?
enhances your beauty. It's great. And if people are watching Doris and they're like, oh, I want to get that done, what can they do?
Right. So you can call us here at the Merle Norman studio in the Polaris Mall.
Okay.
We also have a second location on the east side at the Reynoldsburg-Pickerington exit off of 256. You can call either of our locations.
Great.
And we're actually running a promotion for all the viewers today.
Good Day Marketplace, if people call, they can get a free facial,
Yep.
and then what are you guys giving them?
We have what we're calling an express facial, and it is free of charge. Call us up, schedule your express facial. It's customized for you, and they can register to win a $100 gift card that's available at either of our studios.
Well, I'll definitely be registering for that, and I hope that you will too with Merle Norman and Leanne and Terry. Thank you, ladies, so much. Back
Thank
to you,
you.
Sean.
They look beautiful. Bye, guys.